Hello students, how are you? Okay, hopefully you are in good condition. And meet again in English subject grade 11 with asking and giving opinion competence. Okay, now we are in fourth video, and in this video we will have two activities. The first activity is to discuss the practice that you got on the last video. And then the second activity, you will complete the transactional conversation about asking and giving opinion based on the theme given. Now we start for the first activity. Alright students, now take a look to the practices that you got on the last video. Have you done? Great. Now remember, the instruction is fill in the blanks using the opinion expressions given in the box below. So there is 6 words in the box, and then we have to put the appropriate words in the blank spaces. We start from number 1. I with you bullying should be banned. So, which is the answer? 2. It is alright if you don't agree with me, but I have every right to my. 3rd, as far as I will not support bullying in my school. 4. That medical care should be free for everyone. 5. Some people eating fish and yogurt at the same time cause severe skin disease. 6. I feel quiet about this issue. Okay, students, now take a look for the answer. Number 1, I totally agree. Number 2, to my opinion. Number 3, as I am concerned. Number 4, I strongly believe. Number 5, some people believe that. And then the last one, I feel quite strongly about this issue. Okay, how about your answer? Okay, have you done it well? Okay, congratulations. Now we continue to the next activity. This activity will be the last activity in this competence. And then we have task 2. The instruction is complete the following transactional conversation based on the theme. Nah, adik-adik sekalian, task kedua ini adalah kegiatan terakhir pada kompetensi dasar asking and giving opinion, di mana instruksinya adalah melengkapi kalimat transaksional sesuai dengan tema yang diberikan, dan tentunya berkaitan dengan meminta dan memberi pendapat. Bahkan ada juga ya bagaimana merespon pendapat seseorang, setuju atau tidak setuju. Nah, ini berkaitan juga dengan materi yang telah disampaikan pada video ketiga lalu. Nah, mari kita mulai dengan percakapan yang pertama. Okay, conversation 1. Buying a new car. You can see there is a conversation between Jade and Olive. I think we should buy new car. Why? Our old car is fine and functional. Nah, sesudah itu setelah dibaca percakapan antara Jade dan Olive, silakan dilengkapi percakapan di bawahnya antara Jade dan Olive atau sesudahnya. Next, conversation 2. Banning of cigarettes. Alia, I believe that smoking should be banned. Kevin, I don't agree with you. So in this conversation, it's not only how to give opinion, but how to respond, whether agree or disagree. Jadi pada percakapan di sini tidak hanya memberikan pendapat, tetapi memberikan sanggahan, baik itu respon dalam bentuk positif maupun dalam bentuk negatif, atau setuju dan tidak setuju. And then the last conversation. Nah, pada percakapan ini tema yang diberikan adalah songs. The conversation between Andi and Ben. And then, what kind of music do you like? I like rock and roll. How can you like the rock and roll? It's so loud. Nah, silahkan dilengkapi percakapan antara Andi dan Ben sesuai dengan tema yang diberikan, yaitu lagu atau songs. Nah, anak-anakku, demikianlah video kali ini, video yang keempat. Terima kasih atas partisipasinya, terima kasih telah menonton. Jangan lupa tugasnya dimasukkan ya. Kita ketemu di video selanjutnya. Bye.